Good morning. Going to start, sir. Sir, it's an experience like making a TikTok, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Good morning, Honorable Lalit Dixit, sir, and all the ladies and gentlemen who are sitting in this class. My name is Harsh Lohiya. I live at Delhi, Kent. So basically, I'm pursuing my BCom honors graduation final year from the Delhi University, and I'm here to speak in English. So our today's topic is about stock market. Yeah, as you all know about stock market, nowadays youngsters are very crazy about the stock market. So what is stock market? I want to tell you the stock market is a way of trading in a different commodities. So let me explain you about this some brief history of the stock market. So basically, Indian stock market is one of the Asia's oldest stock market. Basically, when I will explain you all this thing in a pyramid way, so it will be much easier or better for you to explain, to understand all these things. So first, there is a stock market. When we split in a two way, there's a Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. So Bombay Stock Exchange was started and founded by Premchand Rao in 1875. So basically, he's a cotton merchant from a Rajasthani Jain family. So the reason for the establishment of the Bombay Stock Exchange is to trade between to maintain a trading business between the all a businessman around the country. So Bombay Stock Exchange is one of the oldest Asia exchange and tenth oldest in the world. So after that, when we come to National Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange is started in 1994. It's India's first, or you can say Asia's first electronic trade exchange, which will be much helpful for the new traders for taking the trade in a better way across the country. So now we will come. For trading, you must have an demat account. For demat account opening, you can visit your nearby bank branch, which you like means and the most important thing is that nowadays there are a lot of online applications available on the internet also. You can visit there and open your demat account without visiting your bank. So I will give you some example like Grow, Upstock, Angel Broking, and one of the India's nowadays favorite, Zerodha, means Kite trading apps. So what is actually how to trade the things? What is how stock market work? When you open your demat account, you will see two options. There is Nifty 50 and Sensex. So what is Nifty 50? Actually, Nifty 50 is a it's contained India's biggest 50 companies which have a huge market capitalization, or you can say they contain a very turnover in a profit of the country, like Tata Consultancy Services and Reliance Capital, HDFC Banks, uh, many others. And what is Sensex? Sensex contain 30 biggest, largest, companies of India's. Nifty 50 and Sensex are used to calculate the growth of these companies on the daily basis. So when you see the timing of the stock market, opening is around 9:15 a.m. and the closing timings are 10:30 p.m. So when you visit the their online pages on the Google, you will see the numbers are kept changing. This is because they are updating on a regular basis every day. The market remain closed on Saturday and Sunday and the government holidays. So what is when you visit in Nifty 50 and Sensex, there's other things also in the stock market like mutual funds, future and options, and you can also invest in gold also through the stock market. Okay, now come to the point that this is the upper things which I will explain you, that what is stock market, how it started, what are the parts are BSE and NSE, and what are Nifty 50 and Sensex. Now come to the point that how many trade you can take. You can take unlimited trade as much as of your choice in the stock market during the working hours, which is 9:30 to 9:15 to 10:30 in a day. So yeah. No, I have content to speak, sir. I have content to speak. Yeah, so now come to the point. There are accordingly three levels. Like you can take the lower level, medium level, and the top level. In the lower level, you can also suggest that it's a low level, it's a risky thing or it's a profit thing. Okay. In a low level, you can invest in mutual fund because it's less risky compared to the other things. In mutual fund, you will get in a annually basis of 20 to 25. If you are lucky, you will get more than a 30% of return in a year. But on the bottom, if you can go, then you can buy a stocks like a good stocks like Tata Consultancy Services, like Adani stocks is now nowadays in a very in a news because they had given more than 500% of return in 2020 to 21. Now, if we go to the top one is the one of the main, and you can say a most volatile, things in the share market. Like in when you go to the top one, there is a futures and options. So what is future and option? Future and option contains 2800. It contains a lot. Means if you are going to invest in future and option, you have to buy a lot, not a share. In a lot, there are more than, you can say, 25 shares of a lot, or it will 50 shares of a lot. So this is the most volatile market in the share market. Whether you will go 50 points above in a second, or whether you will go 50 points in a low in a second, whether it will make you a, give you a 3000 rupees profit on of your 20,000 capital in a second, or it will give you a 3,000 of loss. It will make your 20,000 into 17,000. Depends upon your technical analysis and about your knowledge, how you are seeing the market view, or means the trend is the most important thing in the market. So, thank you.